If you're planning to build a website but don't want to deal with coding, complicated setup, or expensive developers, then this Hostinger Website Builder review is for you. In this video, I'll show why many people consider it one of the best website builder options available today. To activate the newest Hostinger coupon code plus an extra 20% discount, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The offer is automatically applied through that link. In this Hostinger Website Builder tutorial, one thing that stands out is how simple the setup process is. The Hostinger AI Website Builder allows you to create a website within minutes. You simply enter your business name, describe your website idea, and the AI Website Builder starts generating your site automatically. It can instantly create layouts, write website text, suggest images, and even generate sections for services, products, blogs, or contact pages. If you want the newest Hostinger coupon code with an extra 20% discount, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now so you can activate the offer before creating your website. Another reason many users like Hostinger Website Builder is because it includes hosting, free SSL, mobile-friendly templates, and easy drag-and-drop editing tools in one package. That means you don't need separate services for hosting and design. Whether you're building a business site, portfolio, blog, or online store, this website builder makes the process beginner-friendly. So if you're ready to launch your website using the Hostinger AI Website Builder, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to claim the updated Hostinger coupon code plus the extra 20% discount and start building today.